welcome to Chapter 7, Lesson 2. Today we're going to be looking at numeric patterns, patterns that use numbers. So a pattern is a list of numbers, figures, or symbols that follow a rule. We looked at that yesterday with non-numeric patterns. A rule is a statement that describes the relationship between numbers or objects. So, for example, if our pattern was 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, our pattern between each one would be add 5. Okay, that's what we're doing between each one. You can find and extend a pattern as long as you're following that rule. So let's get started. So here we have example 1. Carla sells 3 picture frames for $15 and 4 picture frames for $20. The pattern for the price of the frames is the same. How much money will Carla make if she sells 6 frames? So first we need to identify and describe the pattern by dividing the total cost by the number of frames. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, if I sell 3 frames for $15, that would be $5 for 1 frame. What if I take the next one, which is $20 for 4 picture frames? $20 divided by 4 would be $5 for 1 frame. So we have the same unit rate for both. So that means 1 unit frame is $5. Our rule is we're going to add $5 each time because each one costs $5. 2 for $10, 3 for $15, 4 for $20, 5 for $25. So that means 6 is going to be for $30. So Carla will make 6 times $5 or $30 for selling 6 picture frames. So here we have example 2. The chapters in Daniel's book follow a pattern. The even chapters have 12 pages. The odd chapters have 16 pages. The first page number of chapter 1 is 1. Extend the pattern to find the page number of the last page in chapter 6. Okay, so notice our pattern here is add 12, add 16. Then we're going to add 12. 44 plus 12 is 56. And so the 4th chapter, once we've read the 4th chapter, we've read 56 pages. Then I need to take 56 plus 16. 6 and 6 makes 12. And I get 72. After I've read chapter 5, I've read 72 pages. Then my pattern, 12, 16, 12, 16. I need to add 12 again. And I'd get 84. So the last page number of Daniel's book is 84. Describe the pattern you see in this chart. So when it asks us to describe the pattern, we would say plus 12. Then add 16 is our pattern. We don't have to keep doing add 12, add 16, add 12, add 16. Just have to say it once. And another observation I could write down is they're all even numbers. I'm adding even numbers, 2 even numbers, and getting an answer of even numbers. So that's kind of interesting. All right, last we have our guided practice here. Identify the pattern, which means like say add 2, add 3, add 4, whatever. Describe and extend each pattern. Okay, so I have 9 to 12. Now, something I always like to think about, if the pattern is growing, only 2 operations we know of to grow a pattern is add or multiply. So if I think from 9 to 12, I could say, could I multiply any 9 by anything? 9, 18, no, I can't multiply. So I'm going to say, what about add 3? Oh my goodness, look at this. 12 to 15, add 3. 15 to 18, add 3. 18 to 21, add 3. Okay, we don't just want to do 2 and say, oh, they must all be add 3. We do want to solve for all of them, okay? So to find the next number in my pattern, I'd add 3. 21 plus 3 is 24. 4. The pattern is add 3. All right, so here I have 5, 6, 4, 5, 3 something. Okay, so let's see. Add 1. Want to go from 6 to 4, I would subtract 2. Add 1, subtract 2. So next I'm going to add 1, so my next number would be 4. The pattern is add 1, subtract 2. Then subtract 2 is my pattern. Lastly, we have Antonio runs 30 minutes each day. Extend the pattern to find the number of minutes he will have run by day 5. So day 1, 30 minutes. Day 2, 60 minutes, because I have to add 30 minutes each day. Day 3, 90. Plus 30, be 120 for day 4, plus 30, 150 for day 5. And I can always do this too, you guys. 5 times 30. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. 150. Can always do that too. To check my work, probably wouldn't do it from the first place because I got to fill in all the other stuff along the way, but to check my work, I could always do that. So how many minutes will he have run by day 5? Oh. He will have run 150 minutes by day 5 if he runs 30 minutes every day. That is all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching till the very end. And make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.